You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. So my plans with this wooden tray table project is to paint it blue in several shades and make it look like faded denim. I'm going to add some black for some grease, and then we're going to add some copper embellishments like the rivets on the jeans. And I'm going to top it off with a pretty IOD transfer. This is the third wooden TV tray table that I'm giving a makeover to. Was left in the garage and it was only used once in a while. It's old and it's wobbly. It has stiff joints. It has a bent leg, so it rocks back and forth, but it still serves a purpose. So I clean it all up and I'm gonna give it a fresh angelic start with Salvation Solution from DIY Paints. After that was dried, I went ahead and added some Hey Sailor all over the entire thing. I wanted to create like a faded denim look. So I also blended in some water lily blue. And I'm just misting it with some water and blending. Once that was dry, I wanted to add some dark and decrepit liquid patina. My homeboy is a mechanic and he can fix anything. And I was thinking how this liquid patina was kind of like when he comes in from the garage working and he's got all that grease and dirt on him. And sometimes my only thoughts is, I'm just going to throw them jeans away. I just watered down the liquid patina and let it kind of drip. When we were dating, my homeboy, who already had a passion for mechanics and rebuilding engines and fixing anything that was broken. And we're just teenagers, right? And just because I wanted to spend time with him, I would sit for hours in their barn watching him fix a car. And so I was going for this faded blue jean look. I knew I had to have some pennies from heaven in there. That little copper embellishment. So I used the copper patina as a highlight, and I would blend it with the dark and decrepit. And it gave me this pretty cool effect, similar to my thrift shop plant, if you've seen that video. And he would get his jeans all greasy and dirty, and he'd be sweaty hot. You know, humidity. Plus, you know, maybe because the girl he likes is sitting there watching him. I don't know. But over time, he developed this personal scent that is like, I recognize it right away, and it always smells like the greasy, sweaty car guy. and I love him. I got these IOD transfers from Mama Bear Blue. The first step when applying an IOD transfer is to remove the white sheet backing. And as you can see here, I have washi taped it in place with the white backing on it still. So once that was removed, then I used the applicator and I got this much done. And my arm was about to fall off. It was difficult for me. I had so many challenges, and at one point I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to hot glue my arm back on. And I asked my creative connection group, I said, y'all, what am I doing? I need help. And there ain't nothing wrong with asking for help. The main advice that I got was after I had painted the tray table to let it dry and sit for at least 24 hours. Apply a top coat sealer and then apply the transfer. Did I do it that way? Oh, heck no. I'm still learning, y'all. I just wasn't making progress. So I did what I usually do. And I asked my homeboy, can you help me? And he gladly finished putting the applique on. And he didn't have to hot glue his arm back on. I'm not gonna lie, this took time. This took hard work and a lot of labor of love. So now that the transfer is on, I'm going to apply a top coat to seal it. This wooden tray table is still old. It is still wobbly. It still has a bent knee and stiff joints. But that's part of the aging process. And it still serves a purpose. It just now has this pretty flower on it. Aww. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. See you there!